Luis Ramos here for WFGP, back for another episode of our exclusive series on the innovative technologies offered by ASC Engineered Solutions. I'm here with David, a foreman from City Contractors, who will help us understand some of the benefits he and his sprinkler fitter teams have experienced using these products. Hi, David.
Hi again, Luis. Happy to be here with you.
We spent some time looking at grooved couplings, but now talking to your team, they seem particularly excited about these new FlexHead products. They still told me every step in the process counts, and no one wants to waste time.
Absolutely. Flexible drops have been around for a while, but they just keep getting better. You have to believe in the products you use, and FlexHead was the original and is still the best. Literally, it's 1, 2, 3 simple. You pick your bracket, pick your hose, and go. First, we have the braided hose. This is the version ASC offers with the sprinkler head already installed and a grooved coupling on the other end. FlexHead calls this the figure FH206S-PIH. This design saves so much effort, it's fully welded so you don't need to take it apart. That's a first and the team loves it. We just call it fast. This is the best part, watch. He attaches the coupling end first with his impact gun, fast and easy. Plus, it's not some special requirement outlet. You can use a standard weld outlet. FlexHead also offers a threaded connection and it uses a standard threaded outlet. Nothing exotic. It's one less thing to worry about. Now you see on the other end, the sprinkler is already attached. Our team provided ASC with the specific sprinkler head we needed for this job, and they did the rest. It came already pressure tested, so we don't need to attach it. Let's start with this new FH120 bracket. Don't blink or you'll miss the installation. There it is. It just snaps right in. No loose screws, no power tools. If you need to move it, you can open the top and just take it right off.
Well, that looked pretty simple.
It really is. We love this design because, like I said, it does not need any screws or power tools to install. Sometimes less is more.
It looks like both the hose and the bracket were basically ready to install when he took them out of the boxes. Is that true?
Yes, right from the box. Other brands come assembled in the box, but you actually have to take them apart to install them. Not this one. Okay, look, this is important. The goal is to get the sprinkler head exactly positioned in that hole in the tile. There are guide marks on the bracket and the reducer to make sure it's all lined up. Here you can install a zip tie securing the bracket to the ceiling grid as an added layer of tamper resistance.
That's it?
That's it. The sprinkler head is already pressure tested, like I said, so now it's ready to go. ASC calls this from box to branch line. I'm just thankful we found this amazing product. It's so much more efficient for my team. It's a real force multiplier where we can do more with the same size crew.
That was great. Thanks for your time, David. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from ASC Engineered Solutions.